So here's the new lithium truck from Big Joe. What's cool about this thing, it can go indoors and outdoors. So you can carry pallets in and out of the warehouse, which traditionally they had propane trucks doing. Now they've replaced all of their propane trucks with these, and they have excellent climbing of ramps, being able to go up grades. With the lithium power on it, it has the ability to easily climb ramps that traditional electric forklifts could not. And this whole propane area, this is going to be gone. This whole thing that was costing them $2,500 to $3,000 a month, plus all the oil changes on the forklifts, are now gone by having a fleet of these come in to replace them. So along with being a green company and very concerned about operational, they want to be clean and green. Now they have a fleet of these operating the whole dock area, and all the propane trucks are leaving. And as you can see, the way they have the charger set up here in the area is all that you need to do to charge the truck is just plug it into the side. No water, no venting, nothing. And with these chargers, you can recharge it in a very quick time frame. They have this going, and what's really neat is you can also see, which you can't see on other trucks, is being able to see how the charge is coming along during the charge time. So you can get a good idea of what it's like and how everything's coming along for you. And then everything takes care of its own. So they have a fleet of these that takes care of everything. So they have a clean area. They don't have the watering system that they used to have on the bendies that will be converting over to lithium also. Because with that, they have a whole fleet of bendies that actually also have a hybrid system. So in this warehouse, we fit over 80,000 pallets in a warehouse that you would traditionally fit 55 to 60,000 pallets, and they got huge staging areas for being able to get product out. And during lunchtime, everyone comes over with the fast chargers. They're able to fast charge and get everything going. And then with the fleet of bendies we have down here, you can see what happens. Come on over, hook up and go.